Good evening. So we are group number 4, and for our term project, we have selected technical textiles as the sector. Now, just to give a brief about technical textiles, these are very broad category of textiles that are engineered to have very specific properties and characteristics that make them suitable to be used in wide range of applications. These are different from traditional textiles that we use in our day-to-day life. These are designed to have functional properties, and they are not restricted to just the aesthetic appeal. Now, these are also used in variety of industries like agriculture, healthcare, construction, etc. Technical textiles can be made from natural fibers like wool or cotton, or from synthetic fibers like polyester and nylon. A few of the key properties that they have are of strength, durability, heat resistance, and water resistance, amongst the other. Now, to give a brief about the manufacturing process, we have identified 4 processes. First of them being weaving, which is used to produce textiles like the geotextiles, upholstery, fabrics, and protective clothing. Next up, we have knitting, which is used to produce textiles such as sports clothing, medical textiles, etc. Next up, we have non-woven fabric, which is used in applications such as medical textiles, geotextiles, and filtration. And at the end, we have coating and laminating, which is used to produce textiles such as waterproof fabrics, fire-resistant fabrics, and geothermal insulation materials. Apart from this, we have identified 12 types of geotechnicals, which are being innovated at the moment. So just to read out, these are geotextiles, Meditech, Agrotech, Protech, Sport Tech, Mobile Tech, Build Tech, Ocotech, Pack Tech, Home Tech, Cloth Tech, and Indutech.
The Government of India's National Technical Textile Mission, established in 2020, aims to propel India's technological textile industry forward. The 4-year mission from 2020 to 2024, with an estimated budget of 1,480 crores, is divided into 4 main areas: focus, research and development, marketing, manufacturing excellence, and skill development. The mission seeks to position India as a world leader in the field of technological textile. Recently, Ministry of Textile approved funding for 20 research projects in specifically fibers and geotextile, totaling rupees 30 crores. This demonstrates that government is committed to advancing the industry through innovation and research. The National Textile Missions has several key objectives to position India as a global leader in the textile. First, it aims to increase local market size from 40 billion USD to 50 billion USD by 2024. Secondly, it supports the Make in India initiative by promoting domestic manufacturing of relevant machineries and equipment. Currently, only 5% of textile in India are considered technical, while other countries have much higher percentage, ranging from 30 to 70%. This aims to enhance the market share of technical textile in India. Finally, the mission will focus on utilizing technical textile in various flagship missions and programs, particularly in critical industry. These objectives demonstrate that the government's commitment to advancement of technical textile industry in India and boosting the country's global competitiveness.
So now we're going to talk about Sport Tech Textile. So Sport Tech Textile is a type of technical textile that is designed and used in sports and outdoor activities. These textiles are designed to provide comfort, performance, protection to athletes and enthusiasts during various physical activities. They are made using variety of materials, including synthetics, fibers, natural fibers, which we'll look in the further slides. One of the key features of sport tech textile is their ability to enhance performance and safety. For instance, many sport tech textile are designed to regulate body temperature, which helps athletes to cool down quickly and avoid intense physical injuries. They also provide insulation and protection against environmental factors like wind, rain, cold temperature, making it possible to train and compete in a wide variety of temperatures, right? So sport tech textile can be found in a range of products such as athletic apparel, uh, compression garments, technical fabrics, for outdoor gear such as tents, sleeping bags, backpacks, footwear, etc. In addition to sport tech textile, there is an increasingly enhanced emphasis on the development to incorporate smart technology, including sensors and other electronic devices that provide real-time data to enhance the performance. So another trend that we can see is in sport tech textile or in general, it is about sustainability. With growing concern for the environment, sustainable textiles made from recycled or biodegradable materials are gaining popularity in the sportswear industry as well. Right. So in addition to providing comfort and performance benefits, sport tech textile also play an important role in preventing injuries, which I already mentioned. And so overall, sport tech textiles are an important component of modern sports and outdoor activities. They provide athletes with the uh, right type of training or with the right type of material or the right type of condition that is required for them to train better and prevent injuries. So now we're going to discuss about the fabrics that are coming under sport tech textiles. So these are new fabrics and we'll look at them one by one. So first is the Entrant Dermisax EV. It is a lightweight fabric that has excellent waterproof moisture permeability and durable water repellent properties as well. This fabric is ideal for active sportswear and can withstand high water pressure and repeated washing. Next is Entrant HB. It is a hybrid fabric that combines the advantages of coating and laminating to provide high resistance to water pressure and durability during repeated washing as well. So this fabric was basically designed uh, to provide a well-balanced moisture permeability. Next is H2OFF. It is a polyester microfabric with a unique high-density weave structure that features superb and durable water repellent capabilities. It has an enhanced breathability to it uh, with wind resistance. This fabric has a soft hand and is ideal for outdoor activities as well. Next is Naiva 30. It is a bi-component filament yarn fabric that has good moisture permeability, lightweight, and softness. This fabric is used in manufacturing wearable and other active sportswear as well. So the second last would be Field Sensor 21. It is a high performance fabric from Toray that employs a multi-layer structure to absorb perspiration quickly and transport it up to the outer layer of the fabric using capillary action. So this is a very unique type of fabric. This fabric is composed of Corsair denier yarn on the inside surface and fine denier hydrophobic polyester yarn in a mesh structure on the outer surface to accelerate quick evaporation of sweat. Last would be the Cool Max. It is a high performance fabric from DuPont, the company, that moves sweat away from the body to the outer layer of the fabric, quite similar to Field Sensor 21, where it dries faster than other fabrics. This fabric enhances the wearer's comfort and increases performance and endurance by by spending less energy to cool the body. Right. So these were about the fabrics.
So now I would like to take this discussion forward by discussing the disruption that is caused by the sport tech textiles. So some of the disruptions are wearable technology, sustainable textiles, disrupting traditional apparel companies, improving athlete performance, and virtual reality textiles and changes in the sports medicine field. And the challenges faced by the sport tech textiles are the lack of awareness and limited R&D, high initial costs, and competition from the low cost imports, and a lack of skilled labor.
So now I will be talking about agrotech textiles. So agrotech agriculture has been a critical component of human life since the dawn of civilization. The agriculture industry has undergone significant changes in the recent years with increasing concerns around sustainability and the environmental impact of traditional agriculture practices. One area of innovation that is rapidly gaining attention in agriculture industry is agrotech textiles. These advanced materials and fabrics are designed specifically for use in agriculture and offer a significant potential to increase productivity, efficiency, and sustainability in the industry. Agrotech textiles are used in a variety of applications, such as crop protection, soil stabilization, irrigation, and water management. They are designed to provide specific performance characteristics, such as strength, durability, chemical resistance, and UV resistance, to meet the specific needs of different agriculture applications. The use of agrotech textiles is growing rapidly in agriculture industry and is set to disrupt the market in many ways. So now I will talk about a little about the fabrics that are being used in the industry. Firstly, it's polypropylene. Polypropylene is a popular material which is being used for agrotextiles because of its strength, durability, and resistance to moisture and chemicals. It is mainly used for crop covers, weed barriers, and soil stabilization fabrics. Secondly, we will talk about polyester. Polyester is a versatile material used in the agrotech textiles because of its excellent UV resistance and durability. Its main uses are as shade cloths, bird nest, and insect screens. Polyethylene is another material which is being used in the agrotech textile. Polyethylene is a lightweight, durable material which is used for applications such as mulch farms, irrigation tubing, and greenhouse covers. Last but not the least, we have biodegradable materials. Biodegradable materials such as polylactic acid, PLA, is being used in the agrotech textile. These materials can help reducing the environmental impact of agriculture by reducing the waste and pollution.
Now let us look at some of the ways in which technical textiles are causing disruption in traditional farming methods. So we know that these technical textiles are especially designed to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of agriculture by addressing various challenges faced by the industry, including cost, lack of awareness, durability, and environmental impact, to name few. Now, the ways in which it is causing disruptions are soil erosion control, water conservation, pest control, and better productivity. So let us look at them one by one. First is soil erosion control. So traditional agricultural practices often result in soil erosion, which can lead to reduced productivity, water pollution, and even crop failure. So what agri or tech textiles does is they are designed to prevent soil erosion by improving the stability of the soil, which in turn promotes the growth. So this results in healthier and more productive crops. Now coming to water conservation. So water scarcity is a major concern in many parts of the world, and traditional textiles are designed to promote water conservation by retaining moisture in the soil and reducing evaporation. So it can be revolutionary in saving the in solving the problem of water conservation. Now another is pest control. Traditional agricultural practices often rely on very toxic chemical pesticides, which can be harmful for environment as well as for human and animal health. So agrotech textiles are designed to provide a physical barrier against pests, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. This can help by reducing agricultural environmental impact and promote sustainable farming practices. Now, next is effective use of space and resources. Like the vertical farm practices like vertical farming are innovative, and these innovative farming practices allow for the cultivation of crops in urban environment and in multi-level structures. So these agricultural tech or agrotech textiles play a critical role in these practices by providing necessary support and growing conditions for crops in these unique environments. Now, when if disruption is caused, then we cannot ignore the challenges which are being faced. So let us address the challenges one by one. First is cost. So the cost of agrotech textiles can be higher than traditional agricultural materials, making them less accessible to small-scale farmers. This is one of the problem which is yet to resolve, and it will stay here for quite a significant period of time going forward in future.
Now, lack of awareness. Many farmers are not aware of the benefits of agrotech textiles, and they are just therefore skeptical for adopting these as their main farming practices, or to include them in their plan or in their agricultural practices. Now, durability. Agrotech textiles need to be durable and long-lasting to gain the trust of their end users and to withstand the harsh environment condition of the agricultural environment. The environmental impact. While agrotech textiles can be reduce the environmental impact, their production and disposal can also have the impact on the environment. Thus, we need to make sure that their production and manufacturing process is absolutely better than what we are doing right now. So these are some of the challenges which need to be addressed to make it mainstream in our day-to-day life. Thank you.